ago, I was completely new to freelancing. I didn't have clients, I didn't have a portfolio, and honestly, I didn't have any professional skills either. But within just a month, I managed to make first $500 in online. I did it using social media management and basic graphic design. I'm talking about the camera level design, nothing advanced. And the best part is, you can follow exactly what I did and get results, even if you are starting from zero. Back then, I thought freelancing was only for coders, professional designers, or people with the years of experience. But here is what I learned. Clients don't always hate the most talented person. They hate the person who can solve their problem quickly and reliably. And one of the biggest problems small businesses face is keeping their social media active. They know they need to post consistently, but they either don't have the time or don't know how to make their post look good. That's where I saw my opportunity. Even though I wasn't expert, I knew how to use Canva to create clean, eye-catching posts, and I could handle the basic scheduling and caption writing. That's it. Instead of signing up on popular freelance platforms, which are overcrowded and slow to bring in results these days, I took a more direct approach. I made a short list of small businesses abroad, mainly in the US, UK, and Australia, that were active on Instagram and LinkedIn, but had inconsistent posting or outdated looking graphics. I then crafted simple cold emails and LinkedIn messages introducing myself and offered to help them improve their social media presence. My pitch was short and personal. I mentioned something specific about their brand, complimented it, and then explained how I could make their content more engaging. I didn't ask for a big contract upfront. Instead, I offered them 1 week trial for a small fee. So there was a very little risk for them to say yes. Within a few days, I got my first positive reply from a small boutique brand in the United States. They had an upcoming seasonal sale and needed fresh, attractive Instagram and Facebook posts to promote it. So here is the game-changing part. I charged $50 for the week's worth of content. I used Canva templates, customized them with their brand colors, fonts, and producing and product photos. Wrote short but engaging captions tailored to their audience and researched trending hashtags and give it to relevant and researched trending hashtags relevant to their niche to make things even easier for them. And I scheduled all the posts in advance using free scheduling tools so they didn't have worry about posting manually. Once I delivered, they were impressed with the speed and quality, and they referred me to a business owner friend in Australia who ran an online home decor store. And the crazy part is that second client gave me another $50 project from there only. Things snowballed. The home decor client booked me for a monthly package for $200 and also closed two more small projects from LinkedIn only. Each project around more than $100 in less than a month. My total earnings is around $500 without any complicated skills, expensive software, or years of experience. I learned everything I need to know from the free YouTube tutorials and I applied it immediately. If you want to copy this system, here is how I would do it today. First, learn the basics of Canva and how to post that to professional. You can do this in a single afternoon. Second, create a small portfolio by making sample posts by a pretend brand. So you have something to show potential clients. And the next thing is start sending outbound emails or LinkedIn messages to small business owners on abroad. Keep your message short, personal, and focused on how you can solve their problem, not on your skills or experience. And the fourth one is when you land a client, over deliver. Give them extra posts, respond quickly, and make minor revisions for free. This not only makes them happy and also increases the chances of they refer you to others. The biggest mistake beginners make is thinking they have to wait until they are an expert to start freelancing. That's simply not true. You don't need to know everything. You just need to know a little more than your client and willing to put in that work. Make your first $500 is about taking action, not waiting for perfection. You'll realize it's not as hard as it seems. And from there, you can start scaling your income from $1,000 to $2,000 or more. So, if this story inspired you, take the first step. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more freelancing tips, and let me know in the comment section what services you want to start offering.